Hello students, see here input and output devices. So what is input and what is output device we will know clearly in this video. So actually computer is assigned with so many devices. Yes or no? Yes, it's absolutely correct. Computer is assigned with so many devices. So the devices are differentiated into so many types, that is input and output devices. So now I start with input device. So now what are the input devices? See here. Actually, what is the definition of input device? Input device is a device through which data and instructions are entered into computer system. So see here friends, how we are going to give the data to computers. So through the input device. So input device are used by the user by giving the input to the computer. So if the man get in doubt, so he want to give the information to computer. To how he is going to give the information to computer? Through the input devices. Everyone clear? Right. Now input device is a device through which the data and instructions are entered into computer system. Next one, an input device converts data and instructions into binary form which is understandable by the computer. So see here friends, now the user is going to give the input in user language, that is high level language. So the user going to give the input in high level language, that language going to convert into binary language. Okay, that binary language will be understood by the computer. Okay, in binary language what we will use? Zeros and ones. So that is a combination of zeros and ones, total complete zeros and ones in the binary language. So that is understandable by the computer. So the input devices converts data and instructions into binary form that computer can understand. So this transformation is called as interface, input interface. Everyone clear? So this is about input devices. Now commonly used input devices are here, I wrote here, see here: keyboard, mouse, joystick, trackball, touchscreen, light pen, digitizer and scanner. So these are all the input devices. Okay, now in the next class we are going to discuss about in detail with everyone. Okay, what is keyboard, how many keys in the keyboard, what are the use of keyboard, so we will discuss in the later class. Just we are going to introduce about what is output, what is input devices here. See here now, output device. So in the output device, actually input device we are cleared. Okay, now we are going to explain about output device. See here, an output device is an electromechanical device which accepts data from computer and translate them into a human acceptable form. So dear friends, what is the meaning of this line? I am explaining you clearly. See here. So the output devices are gives the information to the reader, to the user. Okay, user can get the output through the output devices. So whatever the user need is output. Yes, it is accurately correct, but the output will come from the output devices, that is human acceptable language, that is high level language. Everyone clear? That is the line here, that is the line, that is the meaning of the line here. Now output generated by output device classified into two types. So output is two types here. See here what is two types of outputs. So first one is soft copy output. We regularly use that soft copy, hard copy. So what is the meaning of soft copy and what is the meaning of hard copy? So see here, soft copy output is nothing but the output which is not produced on the paper. See here, now you are watching the video. This is a soft copy, not an hard copy. So this is soft copy output, so which is in temporary in nature. Next one comes to hard copy output. What is hard copy output? The output which is produced on the paper, our Xerox. Okay, our Xerox is our hard copy. Our color Xerox, our notebooks, those all are hard copy output. Okay, that is those are in permanent in nature. So mostly commonly used output devices are here. Some are there. See here. Now monitor, it is a main essential output device. Printer, plotter, speaker and projector. So these are the some commonly used output devices. There are so many output devices are there. These are the some among them. Okay, everyone clear? I hope everyone understood the class clearly. So if you want to note these points, you can note. So thank you for watching.